if you buy the aluminum through Paragon or Amazon, little caps that go on these things, the windshield wiper fluid cap. So it comes with 3M tape. I actually put a big piece, a little piece of red there. I put a big piece in the middle, but it came with the broken up piece around the edge. The problem is that there's a raised windshield wiper fluid symbol here. And that doesn't allow this to adhere very well. So every time you pop this off, which I have to do to get to the battery, this may have a tendency to come off. So just take a Dremel like I did, grind it down a little bit, make it a little bit, I don't want to say smooth, but you'll see it's the raised plastic here. Just shave that down, takes a second. And then when you put this on, it'll adhere much, much better. And just like that. A little bit of pressure, hold that there, let the 3M tape take its adherence. That's on solid. So now when you lift this, the whole cap opens up rather than that plastic getting stuck and the red part coming off. Pro tip, Joe's Garage. Like, share, subscribe. Woo!
Yeah.